In today's video, I'm going to show you what LuxAlgo is all about and why so many traders on TradingView consider it one of the most powerful premium indicator suites available. LuxAlgo is designed to give traders clear buy and sell signals, in-depth trend analysis, and access to a full range of overlays, oscillators, and automation features all in one package. It comes with multiple toolkits that provide entry, exit, and confirmation signals, along with a matrix oscillator for momentum tracking and divergence detection. On top of that, it incorporates price action concepts that help you follow breakouts, retests, and trend patterns more effectively. One of its strongest advantages is its customizability. You can adjust sensitivity, switch candle types such as Heikin Ashi, overlay automated trend lines, and even set up alerts through webhooks to streamline your trading. LuxAlgo also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing traders to test it completely risk-free. The platform's intuitive design ensures clean visuals, clutter-free overlays, and AI-enhanced analytics that, according to research, improve signal recognition speed by up to 42% compared to manual analysis. These alerts are fully customizable and integrate seamlessly with TradingView's built-in tools and webhook functions, which means you can even automate your trades if you wish. Real-world feedback shows its effectiveness. For example, a Reddit user reported making a 64% gain over $6,400 in just 1 month by using LuxAlgo on 1-minute charts. Another trader mentioned that out of all the indicators they had tried, LuxAlgo was the only one worth paying for long term. On Trustpilot, the reviews highlight not only the strong performance but also the excellent customer support and quick responsiveness. So, if you're a frequent trader looking for a robust AI-powered signal suite that enhances TradingView with customizable alerts, all-in-one toolkits, and proven results, LuxAlgo is definitely worth exploring. Thank you for watching this video.